What's better than a good mystery? A mystery that comes with $100. Hi again, cheapskates, and welcome to February. Isn't it crazy that we're saying that? I mean, January just went poof, and now here we are at February, and tomorrow is Groundhog Day. So let's hope for the 6 more weeks of winter won't hang on, because I'm about over winter, and I think a lot of you are. So what I've got today is another mystery bag from my local place. And again, I'm sorry to folks that ask about where you can get these bags. You got to be local to Tennessee. But yeah, one of my local Amazon return places, they do mystery bags. They used to do bigger ones, but now they've scaled them down, dropped the price a little bit, and added the extra thrill of possibly finding $100 in these bags. So I got another one, and it promises apparently to have some kind of a toy, a valuable toy for a kid. So we'll see what that's all about. But yeah, here we go. Yeah, now that the physical store for this place has officially closed, I'm not sure if it's for good, but they, like I said before, they got some stuff going on, and now they're just doing online, like auctions and whatnot. And they did these mystery bags online as well. So I paid $10 for these, and I hope there's $100 in here. But let's see what we got. Looks like there's, I don't know, cute little box. I bet that's Target. Yep, this is a little Target thing that was in their dollar section. So it says $1 on the bottom, but you are dynamite. So that'd be super cute for goodie bags for a kid's birthday party. Cute. I could actually repurpose this, like put Dollar Tree wallpaper and makes a new gift basket bag thingy for, whatever. So that's definitely handy. What do we got? This is a tablet protector. What? Look at how stinking cute that is. It's got all of the little things on there. Oh my gosh, refresh my memory. Was this Toy Story where this guy was? I think it's been a minute since I've seen it, but yeah, look at all the cute little kind of Croc style little button thingies on it. A little carrying handle, but I'm not sure what size tablet goes in here, but this even looks like it's got a stand on the back. Yeah, I think that's what that is. I'm not going to fool around with trying to get it out, but yeah, I wonder if my tablet would fit in there. I would totally use it. I'm such a child. This, okay. It also came with a screen protector. This is for iPad Air 5. So let's see, is this in? Yep, that's in there. So you got a nice little screen protector in there with it. Wow. $10 for this bag. I'm telling you, you're going to pay a lot more than $10 for these two items. That's for darn sure. All right. I like it. What do we got? Oh, this will be good for Easter. Easter grass. I don't know if that's a Target brand. I think it is, but that'll go in an Easter basket. What do we got here? Yeah, a lot of this seems like it's kids stuff or seasonal. Okay, I don't need this at all. It's a urinal screen. It's a urinal screen. Yeah, I have no, there are no urinals in my house, so I have no need for that. So that's different and gross and weird. Trash pile. What else we got? Oh, another one of the little bunny, Easter bunny evidence kit. Those are cute. I can certainly give this to somebody for Easter, but I still think this is absolutely stinking adorable. And it's originally a Target thing, and it was $3. So cute, cute, cute. What do we got? This another Target. A lot of this stuff is Target for sure. Oh, this is a shot glass. This was for New Year's. It's out of Target's dollar section, but they're ring shot glasses. You can put it on your finger and do shots out of it. I mean, that's good for more than New Year's. I mean, like I don't know, bachelorette party or something like that. So, okay. What do we got here? Party beads. This is a set. Do not separate. Aye, aye, Captain. You know, these would be perfect for Mardi Gras. And it looks like a bunch of, it's 12 of them. It's 12 of the beaded necklaces. So that would be a nice Mardi Gras item. And that's Mardi Gras is going to be here before we know it. Or is this year going already? This is a CVS item, Children's Daily Probiotic. And it looks like it's a dietary supplement. This expired like 2 years ago. So that I'm going to have to dispose of that. Yeah, that's a bummer. Trash pile. Oh, what do we got? Oh, little ear protection. Yeah, if you like to shoot, these are kind of a perfect thing to put into a range bag. Because, I know when I go shooting, I'm a total wimp, and I need ear protection. So, yeah, good for my range bag. Nice. Let us see. This appears to be a notebook with no back on. What? Yeah, it doesn't have the cardboard back on it, but okay, that's in the spiral bound thing at the top. So I can always use notebooks. That's a good idea. Well, I don't know. I don't want to say if it's good necessarily, but it's not going in the trash. Let's put it that way. Here we go. What do we got? These, let's see. Pixar Phonics card. Now, this looks like it's a Dollar General item because I'm pretty sure that's a Dollar General sticker on there. So, yeah, a lot of this is just kids stuff. But Pixar Phonics cards. What's next? This looks like something Halloween. Placemats. Yeah, these. Oh, they're paper, I think. Maybe? I don't know. But they're cute. That's good for Halloween. So I'm pretty sure they're paper. But yeah, for a Halloween party or something, that'll go in my seasonal stash. What else we got? And it wouldn't be a mystery bag without a phone case. I just for giggles, I got onto Amazon and I started researching or just kind of looking what phone cases are going for these days. $14, $15, $20, $25. And I bet I have 50 of every kind of phone case you can imagine. It's horrible how much we pay for phone cases. And I mean, I wish there was a way I could just, I don't know, find the right people and give them phone cases. It's like, if I wanted to get a new case, there's no way I'm getting on Amazon paying $15 for one. Absolutely not. Because I bet you there's a billion of these things in landfills. Oh, snap. All right, we're down to the last two items. Look at that. 50 pieces of sidewalk chalk. Okay, I see what they meant when they said that there's a $20 item in the bag that will be, I think they said, hours of fun for kids. But you know what? This summer, I'm totally going to be out in the driveway, probably with the neighbor kids, drawing on the driveway. We always have fun with sidewalk chalk, and now we're set. So that made the price of the bag worth it. It's a huge thing of sidewalk chalk. Okay. Is that everything except for, that doesn't sound like there's anything in here. Another one of these tins. I think that's where the $100 they're putting it. Come on, be in here. Rats. Womp womp. What can I do with these? Flower shop. That would be probably maybe a good item for an Easter basket. You could fill it full of goodies. I don't know. I'm just spitballing here and trying to figure out what I can do with some of these things. Gifts for Easter or whatever. So, all right, that was. This was definitely worth it. This little iPad cover, so cute. I would love it if my tablet fit in here because I'm just dumb that way. I would totally use this because I just love cute stuff. I'm just an adult child, I guess. All right. Well, that was a short but sweet one. I do have one more mystery bag with the same batch, so we'll open that later. Another Temu haul. I do have another Amazon haul coming. I think I spent $22, and I got the clothes I got. Oh, by the way, that's what I'm wearing today. This is from my Amazon haul. What did I pay? $5 for this thing after all the discounts. It's so comfortable. It's so soft. It's not a cheap, piece of junk. So if you're going to do the Amazon haul, like I said in the last video, I think it was worth it. So that's coming. And we did some clothing shopping today. A couple of videos ago, I mentioned the Uptown Cheapskate place. They had a fill a bag day. Oh, y'all, I can't wait to show you. So we'll do a video on that, and I'll show you the huge amount of clothes I got for a tiny amount of money. So anyway, like, share, and subscribe, and welcome to all of my new subscribers. I'm so glad you guys are tuning in and just going along with this weird, bizarre journey with me. So like, share, and subscribe, and stay cheap, y'all.